Hi, in this video I will show you how to register for a class using the new APU Home interface. When you navigate to home.apu.edu, you should see this page with a sign in button as well as a few other useful links. For now, just click on Sign In and proceed to the dashboard. Let's start enrolling in a class by navigating to the Class Search page. On the left-hand side menu, click on the Enrollment drop-down and then select Class Search. For this demonstration, I'm going to search for any undergraduate business class that is available during the fall 2021 semester. You can select a different semester from the Term drop-down menu if necessary, and you can view additional filters by selecting the More Filters option over here on the right. Also, if you're a graduate or a professional student, you should use the Location drop-down to filter by regional campus and use the Academic Career drop-down to select Graduate or Undergraduate Professional. Now, when I click on Search, a list of all of the matching classes will appear. On the right-hand side of each class, the status column tells me how many open seats are left for each class. For example, I can see that Business 100 has 20 seats remaining. Let's enroll in that class. To enroll in Business 100, I will simply open the Additional Actions menu using this button with 3 dots, and then click on Enroll. If you have a permission number, or if this class is full and you would like to be placed on the waitlist, select those options and then click Save. However, these two options do not apply to graduate and professional students. On this final page, be sure to read this agreement carefully, then click I agree and enroll to finish enrolling in your class. Now you know how to enroll in one class using Class Search, but what if you wanted to enroll in multiple classes at the same time? To do so, let's go back to Class Search and add a few classes to the shopping cart. When I find a class that I want to enroll in, I will again open the Additional Actions menu, but instead of Enroll, I will click on Add to Cart. I'll repeat this process for 2 more classes. Now that we have multiple classes in our shopping cart, we can enroll in all of them at once from the shopping cart page, which is under the same enrollment section in the side menu. On this page, you can select the checkboxes to the right of whichever classes you want to enroll in, or you can use this checkbox to select every class in the shopping cart. Once you've selected at least one checkbox, click on Enroll and follow the same steps as before to finish enrolling in your classes. Before we end, let's say you've made a mistake and would like to drop a class that you just enrolled in. You can navigate to the Drop Classes page and click on the checkbox to the right of whichever classes you want to drop. Then click the Drop button. Click Drop one more time to finish removing that class from your schedule. That's everything you need to know in order to enroll in classes using APU Home. If you have any questions or if you just need help enrolling in a class, please send us an email at uesc@apu.edu for undergraduate students or gpc@apu.edu for graduate and professional students.